Hello, Meredith. Brad here. I wanted to give you an update after my order. You helped me with my order, which I so appreciate. Your knowledge, your depth of knowledge, and I hope 1,000 Bulbs appreciates you. What a wonderful and knowledgeable employee they have on staff. So I'm here in my workshop, and I've replaced this light and the one back there. I still have that third one to do. So far, they're working out pretty well. And I wanted to give you an update since I figure you probably don't get updates very frequently from customers. I'm going to start with this light. This is the one that I had a little bit of a burnt smoking edge on the end. Let me turn that light down. Oh, there we go. On the end where it was improperly wired by using that other ballast. And so what I did was I tried to use the ballast the end pieces, I think tombstones you call them. I tried to use one of these, but unfortunately, this is a horizontal orientation, and all of these are fixed. They don't have the springy, squishy end, so I couldn't just replace, both ends because it would not pinch the bulb in place. So unfortunately, I could not replace it. But what I did instead is where it had melted, that little center part there, interfering with being able to put the bulb in, on my light up there, I took the tombstone down and got out my Dremel and I drilled away the part that was interfering with the bulb to be able to go back into the socket, and it seems to work pretty well. I wasn't able to clean off the connections very well, and if I wiggle the bulb a little bit, it makes kind of a staticky sound. I think it's not a perfect connection. I don't know how to remedy that, but I think it's fine. Bulbs are nice and bright. One thing that's kind of fun, or interesting, I guess it's the nature of fluorescent lights, and I took a photo of this one earlier, is that when I first turn it on, the center part is dimmer, substantially dimmer than the two ends. And I grabbed a photo of it, but it goes away after a few minutes. So now the bulbs are all illuminated. I just think that's an interesting observation of how fluorescent lights work, or how the bulb warms up, or I don't know what's going on. Maybe the ballast is doing something. I'm going to say ballast magic. Let's leave it at that. But again, I wanted to thank you for helping me with my initial order interest of replacing everything with LED lights, which I hope to do at some point in the future. And then as I scaled back my order and decided to just replace the ballast, I appreciate you helping me with that need as well. And I look forward to coming to you for my future lighting needs. I appreciate your time and talent. Thank you for being on staff. Thank you so much.